Hey guys, I need to do this update today. A while back I did a video on how to file your own 2290 and people are having problems with it. And I had the same problem. I don't know what the reason is, but this year the IRS is very slow on getting those forms stamped and back to people. I filed mine on, I think it was July 1st and sent it in, and I still never got a copy of it sent back to me. It is paid. They did cash my check immediately, but they're just, I don't know what the reason is. I'm sure it's COVID related or something like that. So I'm going to tell you here today how to go ahead and get that copy for yourself if you need it faster rather than waiting for it to come through the mail. If it ever does come. I did this process here and got my stamped copy, and because I needed it, and I don't know if the copy will ever come in the mail. They don't seem to care. So I went to the IRS website and got some instructions here for you, and I'm going to post this paragraph of the instructions in the description below so you can read it word for word. It has the exact instructions, and I'm going to also post a link to the website where you can find this information, and I'll just read it here for you quick. Now, just because they cashed your check does not, I mean, they obviously got it, they got it filed, but you need that stamped copy returned to you in the mail. So let me read this paragraph here to you right off the website, and they give you exact instructions how to do it. And like I said, I'll post a link in the description. It says, to get Schedule 1 copies for filed Forms 2290, to receive a copy of a current Schedule 1, be sure you have already filed Form 2290 and fully paid the tax. So you have to have filed and paid. You may fax a request to 855-386-5124. You must include a copy of the Form 2290 and Schedule 1 that you previously filed. So hopefully you made a photocopy of that like I suggested, because you need that. Please attach a signed cover sheet and indicate Expedite Schedule 1 request. Include your name, phone number, fax number, the date the Form 2290 was filed, and the number of pages being faxed. So don't forget any one of those things, because you're dealing with the government here, and if you don't fulfill every one of their little wishes, they'll just ignore you, and you won't get what you want here back. Your request must be signed by an authorized individual able to bind to the company. So somebody in charge. Be nice if the person who filed it could sign for this. You may also send a written request to Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Cincinnati, Ohio, blah blah blah, address. Now, if you do this by fax, you'll get a response in probably about 5 days. They'll actually fax you a copy of the stamped 2290 back to the fax number that you provide them. So make sure you can receive that fax. That's how about the time frame I got mine back in. Once they fax it to you, I don't know if they will also mail you the copy. They should, technically, because it has the original stamp on it. So I just wanted to provide that update for you today, to answer questions. I've been getting a lot of questions about this. Hey, I paid this, I filed it, I sent it in, I haven't gotten anything back. Did I do something wrong? And the answer is no, not necessarily. I think I even said in that video, I'm filing earlier this year because I don't know what's going to happen with the government here, with the shutdowns and all that. I'm sure that's what it's all about, but this is how you can get your form back if you need it sooner and right away. So hopefully that was helpful. Hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you next time.